Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Messenger video call while chatting, you've come to the right place. So if you struggle with this issue, to solve it, you need to do just a few quick steps. So first of all, go to your Play Store, in search bar find Messenger and open it. Here you need to make sure that it says open and not update. If it says update, click on update and try to chat, and if video call is still exist and this is your main issue, to solve it you need to go to settings, and in settings you need to find apps and find Messenger. Once you've done that, go to storage and cache, and here you need to clear cache and clear storage. Once you've done that, the problem should be fixed. If not, there is only one way to fix this problem, is just uninstall Messenger and reinstall it again. Don't be afraid of that Messenger will log you out, because if you have Facebook with the same account as Messenger, your connection will be saved, and Facebook and Messenger is automatically log in. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.